here is how you can double the space on the word using your iPad. So let me show you how it works. If it's your first time in here on this channel, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. If you are using the official Microsoft Word app, you can get inside in here, which as you can see in my case, it doesn't really work unless I sign in, but it's not important because you can basically just go to the home section. And in here from this selection of options, tap on this one right here, which is for the paragraph formatting. And what you are likely interested in is the line spacing. So you can see it right there. And basically this allows you to double or change the space size between the lines right here when you are editing a Word document on the iPad. So this is where you can find it. As I said, I have to sign in and become like a full member to use it, but I'm just showing you where you can see it. Outside of that, if you don't want to use the official Word app, what you can do is to utilize the Apple Pages, which is part of your iPad already. And there you can as well just go to your new document and everything, and you can manage the same stuff. Like when you go to the stuff right here, you have the ability to edit everything here as a brand new document, right? So if you have anything like that you want to customize or change, you also have the ability to change it in here. So that is basically the stuff that I wanted to show you in this video. If you have found this tutorial helpful, just hit the thumbs up on it to let me know about it. But for now, that's it, and I'm gonna see you later in the next tutorials as well.